Now, whether the COVID campaigns were successful or some unfortunately were dropped for not meeting safety or efficacy targets, all of them, regardless of success or failure, had further ripple effects throughout the companies themselves, and therefore also their vendor partners. Continued increased levels of resourcing are required to support further development of the COVID therapies, as well as go back and re-engage those other therapeutic area programs that were delayed or put on hold in favor of focusing efforts on the urgency of the COVID programs. So those companies who ended up having to abandon their COVID efforts likely found themselves over-resourced. As we know, internal headcount is usually retained first. So the burden of any excess becomes a reduction in team size for the vendor partners. But this is where the FSP relationship shines. These are exactly the scenarios that FSP partnerships are meant to be able to address. It's a scalable model, but no additional burden of HR processes. We all know that recruiting, qualifying, hiring is time consuming, it's a challenge, and this time and effort falls to the FSP partner. The ability to augment the talent of the team. In this model, FSP team members are usually quite integrated with the study team. Oftentimes they are or become subject matter experts for the sponsor deliverables and processes, as well as industry regulations and guidelines, and therefore they end up being able to assume leadership roles within sponsor teams. And finally, FSP partnerships bring an extra level of governance and executive level commitment that really results in shared accountability. The FSP partner relationship is a priority.